Cooling applications are essential in various aspects of our lives, from maintaining personal comfort to critical industrial processes. Here's a breakdown of different areas where cooling plays a significant role. Air conditioning and refrigeration. This is the most common application of cooling, ensuring thermal comfort in buildings and preserving food items. Air conditioners utilize the vapor compression cycle to remove heat from indoor spaces and transfer it outdoors. Refrigerators and freezers use similar principles to maintain low temperatures for food storage. Industrial processes. Several industries rely on cooling systems for efficient operation. Metalworking. Cooling is crucial in metal cutting, shaping, and forming processes to prevent overheating and ensure product quality. Chemical processing. Chemical reactions often generate heat, requiring cooling systems to maintain optimal temperatures and prevent unwanted side reactions. Power generation. Cooling is necessary in power plants to prevent turbines and other equipment from overheating. Data centers. The massive computing power in data centers generates significant heat. Cooling systems are essential to maintain optimal operating temperatures for the servers and prevent equipment failure. Medical and scientific applications. Medical imaging, MRI scanners and other medical equipment require cooling systems to function correctly. Scientific research. Certain scientific experiments necessitate precise temperature control, achieved through cooling systems. Food preservation and transportation. The food industry heavily relies on refrigeration throughout the supply chain, from storage and transportation to retail outlets, to prevent spoilage and ensure food safety. Beyond these primary applications, cooling technologies are finding increasing use in areas like thermal management of electronic devices. Electronic components generate heat during operation, and cooling systems are necessary to prevent overheating and ensure device reliability. Transportation. Cooling systems are used in cars, trucks, and other vehicles to maintain engine temperature and passenger comfort. HVAC systems, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC, systems incorporate cooling methods to regulate temperature and air quality in buildings. Cooling technologies are constantly evolving to improve efficiency, minimize environmental impact, and cater to specific application requirements. Please check description for related books.